third sum 1 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2 whole square. 1 divided by solution x minus 1 into x plus 2 whole square equal to, the first form it is a factor is a divided by x minus 1. The normal factors method, a divided by x minus 1 plus, it's a repeated term is given, it's a x plus 2 whole square. We know that the formula is b divided by 1 time x plus 2, next plus c divided by, second term is add the power is 1 here, 1 plus 1 is x plus 2 whole square. This n is what 2, that formula we should use 1 plus 1 is 2, that's all. Next cross multiple here, 1 equal to a into x minus 1 into x plus 2 whole square is x minus 1 cancel, x plus 2 whole square, a into x plus 2 whole square plus b into x plus 2 whole square is one time cancel, so remaining is x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus c into the cross multiple, then x plus 2 whole square is cancel, remaining is what x minus 1. This is the equation number 1, this is a 2. Put x equal to, we should find out a value now, then x equal to 1 substitute, then b is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 into anything is what 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 into c is what x equal to 1 in 2, the second equation. So substitute here, 1 equal to a into x value 1 plus 2 whole square plus b into 1 minus 1 next 1 plus 2 plus c into 1 minus 1. Substitute here, 1 equal to 1 plus 2 is what 3 square is 9 into a is 9a plus b into 1 minus 1 is 0 into anything is what 0 plus c into 1 minus 1 is 0 into c is what 0, so 1 equal to 9a, therefore 9a equal to, interchange places, 9a equal to 1, a equal to, it's a multiple this side, taking right hand side, what it becomes a divide, 1 divided by 9, this is a value. Next we should find out b value now. Put x equal to b value we should find out, then x equal to what is the minus 2 substitute, then it is cancel, c value we should find out, so x equal to minus 2 we should substitute, x equal to minus 2 in 2, the second equation. So substitute here, 1 equal to a into minus 2 plus 2 is 0, so 0 into anything is what 0, so a into minus 2 plus 2 whole square plus b into x is minus 2 minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2 plus c into minus 2 minus 1, so 1 equal to 2 minus 2 is 0 into a is what 0 plus minus 2 plus 2 is 0 into this value is what 0, minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 into c is minus 3c, so 1 equal to minus 3c, interchange this places, minus 3c equal to 1, c equal to, take minus 3 is multiple this side becomes, next right side is divide, 1 divided by minus 3, c equal to minus 1 by 3, minus take the numerator, so minus 1 by 3. Now we should find out b value. Put x equal to 0, then this all the terms we get what is the x value is 0. So put x equal to 0 in 2. What is here? 1 equal to a into 0 plus 2 is a 2 square, plus b into 0 minus 1 is a minus 1, 0 plus 2 is a plus 2, plus c into 0 minus 1 is a minus 1. So 1 equal to 2 square is a 4. 4 into a is a 4a, plus minus 1 into 2 is a minus 2. Minus 2 into b is what? Minus 2b. C into minus 1 is a minus c. We should substitute a and c value here. A value we know that 1 equal to 4 into a value 1 by 9. A value is a 1 by 9. So 1 by 9 minus 2b minus c value is a minus 1 by 3. Minus into minus plus 1 by 3. Take the LCM. 1 equal to 9 is the LCM. 9 is the LCM, then here what is the 4. 1 time 9 is in the denominator. Here 2 9s are 18 minus 18b. Next 3 3s are 9. So we should multiply in the numerator. What is the 1 3s are 3 plus 3. So 9 cross multiply here. 1 into 9 is what? 9 equal to 4 plus 3 is 7 minus 18b. So 9 minus 18b we should take left, plus 18b equal to 7. 9 we should take right hand side, minus 9. So 18b equal to 7 minus 9 is a minus 2. b equal to minus 2 divided by 18. So 2 table 1 time, minus 1 time, 2 9s are 18. So b equal to minus 1 divided by 9. So we should substitute this value in the equation number 1. We should substitute this value. Substitute the values in the first equation. 1 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2 whole square equal to a value we know that a equal to 1 by 9. 1 divided by 9 divided by x minus 1 plus b value minus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 9 divided by x plus 2. C value minus 1 by 3. So minus 1 by 3 divided by x plus 2 whole square. Take the in the denominator 1 divided by 9 into x minus 1. 9 into x minus 1. Plus into minus is minus. 9 into x plus 2 is 1 divided by 9 into x plus 2. Minus plus into minus is minus. 1 divided by 3 into x plus 2 whole square is 3 into x plus 2 whole square. That's all. This is a partial fraction. X plus 2 whole square. So 1 divided by x minus 1, x plus 2 whole square is equal to 1 divided by 9 into x minus 1 minus 1 divided by 9 into x plus 2 minus 1 by 3 into x plus 2 whole square. That's all. Fourth sum, 1 divided by x square minus 1. Solution, 1 divided by x square minus 1 equal to, we should write like this, 1 divided by a square minus b square formula. We know that a square minus b square is equal to, formula is a plus b into a minus b. So here a is what? X square minus b square is 1 square. 1 square is what? 1. So 1 square is what? 1. So we should take a square minus b square. Substitute this formula, a plus b, x plus 1 into a minus b, x minus 1. So we should substitute this, we should write here 1 divided by x plus 1 into x minus 1 equal to, so partial fraction formula we should use a divided by x plus 1 plus b divided by x minus 1. So we should cross multiply here, 1 equal to a into x plus 1 into x minus 1. So x plus 1 cancel, remaining a into what is here? X minus 1 plus b into cross multiple, then x minus 1 cancel, b into x plus 1. b into x plus 1. This is the equation number. This is the 1, this is 2. Put x equal to minus 1, then we get b is what is 0, minus 1 in 2. So 1 equal to a into x value minus 1 plus b into minus x value minus 1, so minus 1 plus 1 equal to minus 1 is minus 2 into a is minus 2a plus b into minus 1 plus 1 is 0 into b is what? 0. So 1 equal to minus 2a. So interchange these places, minus 2a equal to 1, a equal to 1 divided by minus 2. We should write a equal to 1 divided by minus 2 is what? Minus, we should take numerator. What is here? Minus 1 divided by 2. A equal to minus 1 by 2. We should find out b value now. Put x equal to plus 1, then a becomes 0. So put x equal to plus 1 in second equation. The second equation, substitute here 1 equal to a into x value 1 minus 1 plus b into x value 1 plus 1 equal to 1 minus 1 is 0 into a is what? 0 plus 1 plus 1 is 2 into b is what? 2b. So 1 equal to 2b. Interchange these places, 2b equal to 1. So b equal to 1, 2 is we should take right hand side, becomes divide. B equal to 1 by 2. Substitute a equal to minus 1 by 2 and b equal to 1 by 2 in, what is the equation number? 1. Substitute here 1 divided by x plus 1 into x minus 1 equal to a value, substitute minus 1 by 2 divided by x plus 1 plus b value, we know that 1 by 2 divided by x minus 1. So this value we know that what is 1 divided by x square minus 1. So 1 divided by x square minus 1 equal to 2 is we should take a denominator, minus 1 divided by 2 into x plus 1 plus 1 divided by 2 into x minus 1. First positive value we should write first, 1 divided by x square minus 1 equal to 1 divided by 2 into x minus 1 minus 1 divided by 2 into x plus 1. That's all. Sixth sum, 2x square minus 5x minus 7 divided by x minus 2 whole cube. It is a ax plus b whole power n formula we should use here. Its power is 3 is given. It's a repeated term, so we should use that formula. 2x square minus 5x minus 7 divided by x minus 2 whole cube. That formula we should use then. A divided by least power is what? X minus 2. A divided by x minus 2 plus b divided by x minus 2 whole square. So increase one power, x minus 2 whole square plus c divided by x minus 2 increase one power, then what is here? X minus 2 whole cube. That is the n is over. 3 is the power 3 is over. That's all the formula we should apply. This is the equation number 1. So we should cross multiple here. X minus 2 whole cube is the right hand side. So we get 2x square minus 5x minus 7 equal to x minus 2 whole cube and x minus 2 one time cancel. It's what is the remaining here? 2. So a into x minus 2 whole square plus b into x minus 2 whole square, cube is cancelled, remaining one time here, b into x minus 2 plus c into x minus 2 whole cube. X minus 2 whole cube is cancelled, so one time c into 1 is what? C. So this is the equation number 2. Put x equal to 2, substitute, then we get this term is 0, this term also 0, we find a c value. So x is equal to 2 in second equation. Substitute here, 2 into 2 square, x value 2, so 2 square minus 5 into 2 minus 7 equal to a into x value 2, so 2 minus 2 whole square plus b into 2 is the x value, 2 minus 2 plus c. 2 square is 4, 4 2s are 8 minus 5 2s are 10 minus 7 equal to 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 square is what? 0, 0 into a is what? 0. 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 into b is what? 0 plus c. Here 8 minus 10 is minus 2, minus 2 minus 7 is minus 9 equal to c. This is a c value. Equating the coefficient of x square in the first equation, the second equation. So we should use the second equation. So equating the coefficient of x square is what? 2. 2 equal to the right side equation of equating the coefficient of x square is x minus 2 whole square is a square, then what is there? X square one time, x square into a is what? Ax square. So a is the coefficient of x square in the right side, so a only we should write. A, no other x square term, so leave it. Therefore a equal to 2. Next put x equal to 0 in equation number 2. The equation number 2, x value is 0, substitute, then 0 square, 0 into 2 is what? 0. 5 into 0 is what? 0. So minus 7 equal to a into 0, x is 0, 0 minus 2 is what? Minus 2. So a into minus 2 square plus b into 0 minus 2 is what? Minus 2 plus c into plus c. So we should write here minus 7 plus minus 2 whole square is plus 4 equal to a into minus 2 whole square is 4 plus b into minus 2 plus c. Now we should substitute a and c value there. So what is the a value? Minus 7 equal to a value is, we know that 2. So 2 into 4 minus 2 into b is minus 2b plus c value minus 9. Substitute here minus 9 minus 7 equal to 2 4s are 8 minus 2b plus into minus is a minus 9. So constant we should take left term, minus 7 minus 8 plus 9 equal to minus 2b. So plus 8 we should take left, then what is there, minus 8, minus 9 we should take left, plus 9. So minus 7 minus 8 is a minus 15 plus 9 equal to minus 2b. Minus 15 plus 9 is a minus 6 equal to minus 2b. Minus minus cancel. 6 3 times 3 2s are 6, 1 2s are 2. 3 equal to 1 into b is what, b. Therefore b value is what, 3. The substitute in the equation, the first equation we should substitute a equal to 2, b equal to 3 and c equal to minus 9 in the first equation. This is the first equation, so we should substitute this value 2x square minus 5x minus 7 divided by x minus 2 whole cube equal to a value, what is the 2 divided by x minus 2, b value is 3 divided by x minus 2 whole square plus c value is minus 9 divided by x minus 2 whole cube. So we should write 2 divided by x minus 2 plus 3 divided by x minus 2 whole square plus into minus 9 divided by x minus 2 whole cube. That's all. Seventh sum, x square minus 6x plus 2 divided by x square into x plus 2. Solution: x square minus 6x plus 2 divided by x square into x plus 2. We know the formula a divided by, this is a x square, it is a repeated term, so one time we should write a divided by x plus b divided by, increase on power is what is here, x square is given, so that's all. Next plus c divided by, another one factor is x plus 2 is given, so c divided by x plus 2. This is the equation number 1. So now cross multiply here, x square minus 6x plus 2 equal to a into x square into x plus 2 is a x square and x is one time cancel, so remaining is what, x, a into x plus 2 plus b into x square is cancel, b into x plus 2 plus c into x plus 2 cancel, c into x square. This is the equation number 2. Put x equal to minus 2, then these terms are 0, a and b 0, c value we should find out. So x equal to minus 2, so minus 2 whole square in 2. The second equation we should substitute x equal to minus 2, so minus 2 whole square minus 6 into x value minus 2 plus 2 equal to a into minus 2 x value minus 2 plus 2 plus b into x value minus 2 plus 2 plus c into minus 2 whole square. So minus 2 whole square is 4, minus into minus plus 6 2s are 12 plus 2 equal to minus 2 plus 2 is 0, 0 into anything is what, 0 plus minus 2 plus 2 is 0, 0 into b is what, 0 plus minus 2 whole square is 4. So 4 into c is plus 4c. So 4 plus 12 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. 18 is equal to 4c. Interchange these places. 4c equal to 18. c equal to 18 divided by 4. 2 table 2 times 9 times. C equal to 9 divided by 2. This is the C value. Next it's put x equal to 0. X equal to 0. Put x equal to 0 in equation number 2. So x equal to 0, then 0 square is what? 0, minus 6 into 0 is what? 0, plus 2 is the constant. So 2 equal to a into 0. A into 0 is 0. 0 into x plus 2 is what? 0, plus b into 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2 is what? 2. 2 into b is what? 2b, plus c into 0. X value is what? 0. 0 square is what? 0. 0 into c is what? 0. So 2 equal to 2b. Interchange these places. 2b equal to 2. B equal to 2 divided by 2. It is taking right hand side. This is cancelled one time. B equal to 1. Next we should find out C value. C value we should find out, then C value already find out. So next we should find out A value. A value find out, then we should equating coefficient of x square. Equating coefficient of x square. Equating coefficient of x square in 2. Coefficient of x square value is what? 1. 1 into x square is what? X square. So 1 equal to x into x is what? X square. X square into a is what? Ax square. So coefficient of x square is what? A. Here x square term is not here, so leave it. Next c into x square. So coefficient of x square is what? C, plus c. Substitute the c value, already we know that 9 divided by 2. Substitute here. 1 equal to a plus c value 9 divided by 2. So 9 divided by 2 we should take left. 1 minus 9 divided by 2 equal to a. 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 9 is minus 7 divided by 2 equal to a. This is the a value. Next substitute a equal to minus 7 by 2, b equal to 1 and c equal to 9 by 2 in equation number 1. This is the equation number 1. So substitute here x square minus 6x plus 2 divided by x square into x plus 2 equal to a value minus 7 by 2, minus 7 by 2 divided by x plus b value 1 divided by x square. C value is 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2 divided by x plus 2. So we should write it minus 7 divided by 2 is the take down 2x plus 1 divided by x square plus 9 divided by 2 into x plus 2. That's all the partial fraction. Eighth sum, x square minus 3 divided by x plus 2 into x square plus 1. Solution, x square minus 3 divided by x plus 2 into x square plus 1 equal to, first one, a divided by, the first factor is x plus 2. Next is x square minus 1 plus 1 is a quadratic equation. It's not possible to factorize. So we know that the format bx plus c divided by x square plus 1. So this is the format we should write bx plus c divided by x square plus 1. Cross multiple here, x plus 2 is cancelled. So x square minus 3 equal to x plus 2 cancel. What is there? A into x square plus 1. X square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x square plus 1 is a cancel, cross multiple, then x plus 2 is the remaining. So x plus 2. This is the equation number 2. This is the equation number 1. Put x equal to minus 2 in the second equation. So minus 2 substitute, then we get what is here. This term is 0. A value we should find out. So minus 2 whole square minus 3 equal to a into minus 2 whole square plus 1 plus bx plus c into minus 2 plus 2. So x value is what? Minus 2 we should substitute here. So minus 2 whole square is plus 4 minus 3 equal to minus 2 whole square is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 into a is what? 5a. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. 0 into anything is what? 0 plus 0. 4 minus 3 is 1 equal to 5a. Interchange this places. 5a equal to 1, a equal to 1 divided by 5. 5 is this side multiple, we should take right hand side, becomes divide. So next we should find out b or c values. So equating the coefficient of x square, then we get b value. So what is there equating? Equating the coefficient of x square in the second equation. So equating the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is what? 1 here. 1 equal to a into x square. So what is the equating coefficient of x is what? X square is what? A. A plus bx into x is what? Bx square. So coefficient of x square is b plus b. C term is it's not possible to coefficient of x square. That is the x coefficient of x is c. So leave it. So 1 equal to a plus b. 1 equal to a value we know that what is 1 divided by 5. Substitute here 1 divided by 5 plus b. 1 by 5 we should take left 1 minus 1 by 5 equal to b. So 1 5 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 divided by 5 equal to b. Therefore b equal to 4 divided by 5. Next we should find out c value. Put x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0 in second equation. So 0 substitute, then x square term is what? 0. X is 0. 0 square is what? 0. 0 minus 3 is minus 3 equal to x square term is 0. X 0 square is what? 0. 0 plus 1 is what? 1. 1 into a is a. Next term plus b. B into x value is 0. 0 into b is what? 0. 0 plus c is c into x value is what? 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. So minus 3 equal to a value already we know that 1 by 5. 1 by 5 plus 2 into c is what? 2c. 1 by 5 we should take left minus 3 minus 1 by 5 equal to 2c. 3 5s are 15. Minus 15 minus 1 is minus 16 divided by 5 equal to 2c. So 2 we should take left minus 16 divided by 5 into 2 equal to c. 2 and 16 is cancelled, minus 8 times. Therefore c is equal to minus 8 divided by 5. Substitute this value in the equation number 1. Substitute a equal to 1 by 5, b equal to 4 by 5 and c equal to minus 8 by 5 in the equation number 1. So equation number 1 is x square minus 3 divided by x plus 2 into x square plus 1 equal to a divided by x plus 2 plus bx plus c divided by x square plus 1. So we should substitute this value x square minus 3 divided by x plus 2 into x square plus 1 equal to a value we know that what is here 1 divided by 5 into x plus 2 plus b value 4 divided by 5 into x plus c value is minus 8 by 5. Plus into minus is what? Minus 8 divided by 5 whole divided by x square plus 1. So we should substitute this value x square minus 3 divided by x plus 2 into x square plus 1 equal to 5. We should take down 1 divided by 5 into x plus 2 plus here the divide 5 is LCM, so we should write 4x minus 8 divided by 5 into x square plus 1. That's all. Here 4 is the common, we should take x minus 2 4s are 8, so 2 x minus 2 divided by 5 into x square plus 1. 10th sum 1 divided by x square plus 4 into x plus 1. Solution 1 divided by x square plus 4 into x plus 1 equal to, we know that the formula, it's not possible to factorize x square plus 4 is so we should write ax plus b divided by x square plus 4 plus c divided by x plus 1. So this is the equation number 1. So now cross multiple here, 1 equal to ax plus b into x square plus 4, x square plus 4 is cancelled, so what is here, x plus 1 cross multiple then plus c into x plus 1 is cancelled, cross multiple then what is here, x square plus 4. This is the equation number 2. So put x equal to minus 1, then it's this term is 0, we should find out the c value. So put x equal to minus 1 in equation number 2. So 1 equal to, so substitute then a into minus 1 plus b into minus 1 x value minus 1 plus 1 plus c into minus x value is what, minus 1, so minus 1 whole square plus 4. So we should write it 1 equal to 1 minus 1 plus 1 is 0. 0 into anything is what? 0. So 0 plus c into minus 1 whole square is what? Plus 1. So 1 plus 4. So 1 equal to 1 plus 4 is what? 5. 5 into c is what? 5c. 5 we should take the left. 1 divided by 5 equal to c. C value is 5. Next we should substitute find out a value, equating coefficient of x square. Equating the coefficient of x square in the equation number 2. The equation number 2. Coefficient of x square, here constant term only given, so no coefficient of x square, so 0 equal to x into x is what? X square, ax square. So coefficient of x square is what? A. Next c into x square is what? Cx square. Coefficient of x square is what? Plus c. So substitute the c value there. 0 equal to a plus c value already find out 1 by 5. 1 divided by 5. We should take 1 by 5 is the left hand side, minus 1 divided by 5 equal to a. Therefore a equal to what is here? Minus 1 divided by 5. Next we should find out b value. Put x equal to 0. So put x equal to 0 in equation number 2. Substitute then 1 equal to a into 0 is what? 0 plus b. 0 plus 1 is what? 1 plus c into x value 0. 0 square is what? 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. So 1 equal to b into 1. 0 plus b is b. b into 1 is b. Plus c into 4 is what? 4c. Substitute the c value now. 1 equal to b plus 4 into c value, we know that 1 divided by 5. Substitute here 1 divided by 5. 1 equal to b plus 4 into 1 is 4 divided by 5. So 4 by 5 we should take left 1 minus 4 divided by 5 equal to b. Therefore it's a cross multiple here. 1 5 is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 divided by 5 equal to b. Therefore b equal to 1 by 5. This is a, b and c values we should substitute in the equation number 1. Substitute a equal to minus 1 by 5, b equal to 1 by 5 and c equal to 1 by 5 in the equation number in 1. The first equation is, we know that 1 divided by x square plus 4 into x plus 1 equal to ax plus b divided by x square plus 4 plus c divided by x plus 1. Now we should substitute this value here, 1 divided by x square plus 4 into x plus 1 equal to a value we know that minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5 into x plus b value we know that 1 by 5 divided by x square plus 4 plus c value we know that 1 by 5 divided by x plus 1. Now 5 is a LCM, we should take a minus 5, 1 by 5 is a 5 is the LCM, we should take it a 1 into minus 1 into x is a minus x divided by plus 1 whole divided by 5 divided by x square plus 4 plus 5 is to take down 1 divided by 5 into x plus 1. Now take down 5. So what is 1 minus x, we should write 1 minus x, positive value first we should write. So 1 minus x divided by 5 into x square plus 4 plus 1 divided by 5 into x plus 1. So this value is 1 divided by x square plus 4 into x plus 1. It's a partial fraction is this is, that's all.